Hey guys, it's Alex here. Today I've got our 2015 Holden Commodore Evoke VF. Underneath the bonnet there, we have a 3 litre V6. Down across the front, you've got front parking sensors. Come down to the wheels, you've got 16-inch alloys providing you with a nice, comfy ride. All our pre-owned vehicles undergo 101 mechanical inspection test, which is conducted by certified mechanics. Jumping into the rear, we're greeted with a full cloth interior. You've got aircon down there, one-touch power windows. Come to the back, you've got a reverse camera and rear parking sensors to match those front parking sensors, just to make parking that whole lot easier. Just pop the boot. Very, very generous sized boot space here. Plenty room inside of there. Coming into the front, you've got a touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity. Jam out to your tunes, driving down the highway. You got your park assist down there, cruise control, dual zone climate. Plenty of reasons to buy this car, guys. We are a family-run, multi-franchise, award-winning dealership, so be certain you can buy with us with complete confidence. Please note, we are also complying with all current government rules and restrictions surrounding COVID-19 to keep our staff safe and of course you guys as customers safe. So if you're interested in our 2015 Commodore, get in touch today and we'll be more than happy to take you through it.